Dear colleagues, greetings on the occasion of International Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons Day. This year, we are launching a campaign called Saving Lives, Saving Faces. Looking forward to an active participation from all of you and making this a grand success.
Accidents are unpredictable, and you may be helpful in saving their lives. The first and the foremost thing at the accident spot is not to panic. Be proactive to understand the situation and seriousness of the injury. Turn off the vehicles immediately and call for ambulance. Move the victims to safer grounds. While lifting, be careful with the posture. Do not leave the neck to fall. Neck, shoulder, and legs should be lifted at the same time. Make them sit if they are conscious, or if unconscious, make them lie down on flat surface onto their sides. Apply pressure with clean cloth over the bleeding side to prevent further bleeding. If the victim bleeds through ear, please be extra cautious. If the victim asks for water, please do not give them. Do not crowd. Give adequate ventilation for the victim to breathe. Loosen their clothes and listen to their heartbeat. Check for pulse. Check if they are breathing. Check for the rise and fall of their chest. If the victim does not have heartbeat, place your hands on the center of the chest and perform chest compression immediately. 100 to 120 chest compressions has to be done per minute. If the victim is not breathing, pull out their tongue to improve the airway. The time period of 60 minutes following accident is called golden hour, which requires prompt medical treatment to prevent death of victims. If no pulse, continue the compressions till ambulance arrives. Thousands of people die on roads without proper first aid. Be responsible. Your first aid can save a life. Help the ambulance personnel to shift the patient carefully to the ambulance in lying down position.
The Association of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons of India has launched a massive campaign to empower the general public to manage a road traffic accident case at the accident site. The theme this year has been on saving lives and saving faces. As guardians of the face, we the facial surgeons come across very nasty accidents, and unfortunately a lot of patients lose lives because at the accident sites they can have problems. And that's where we are empowering the general public to basically manage a situation till professional help arrives. So this year the campaign is on saving lives, saving faces. Wear a helmet, wear a seatbelt.